שב פה, תצמד לשירי. תיזהר עליה בבקשה. אוקיי, יופי. רגע.
Right behind us, you're looking at the world's largest tree, the General Sherman tree. It's not the world's tallest tree, but in diameter, it is the world's largest tree.
We're in Sequoia National Park, and we're gonna be here exploring and camping nearby, not in the park.
Yeah. So the diameter of this tree is 109 feet with a height of 275 feet, but you wouldn't really notice that it's the largest tree in this forest unless you measured it, because we're surrounded by a lot of large sequoias.
Trees.
Yeah.
Like really large trees, so it doesn't really stand out. It's beautiful too. The color is beautiful.
So there are two national parks that are connected if you come to Sequoia. The second one is Kings Canyon. So we drove up, it's about an hour drive, maybe a little bit more. And now we're going to see, I think this is the third largest tree, which is the General Grant tree.
We're here.
Alright guys, so we're back at Sequoia National Park and we're about to do a 3.5-mile hike, which is to the top of Moro Rock. Spoke to the ranger. He said that the elevation is not too high. We'll probably just go up around 300 feet. And yeah, it's a beautiful day.
It's not like what you would expect a big tree would feel like. Oh my god, that's freaky. Reminds me of spiders.
So that's Moro Rock. We took a detour to see a different rock called the Hanging Rock, which is up this trail over here. Whoa. Give your thoughts on this place, Yvonne.
My thoughts? This is absolutely beautiful. It's definitely top 5. Now we're gonna head towards the Moro Rock. Okay, we're not hikers. So far, most of the hikers that we've seen, they carry those sticks. So either they buy it or they find a branch. So I found this and I think it's perfect for me. I can hang on to it.
It's taller than me.
I can hang on to it. I'm pretty sure this is not how you find walking sticks.
No.
But whatever.
Ready to climb up?
Yeah.
made it. We're at the top.
We're here.
Wow.
Awesome.
Right there is the road when you're driving into Sequoia.
And over there is the hanging rock where we just were.
Right there. What a view.
This is honestly, I think we came at the perfect time of the year. It's not
The
hot,
sun's
it's
not
not
out.
cold, and there's still snow on top of the mountains, which is, it makes it so scenic. Like, it's so beautiful. Top five. So that was our time in Sequoia. The next day we drove to Yosemite National Park.
Sections of the park were closed for the season, so we spent our time at Yosemite Valley absorbing the views.
There are more than 25 waterfalls at the park, and we walked to see the lower Yosemite Falls.
We then ended the day having a picnic with a view. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of our future adventures. We'll see you all in the next one. Take care.
Bye!